the chairman of this occasion, and the former Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, my boss, my friend, and my brother, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. Your Excellency, the special guest of honor, and the former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and my sister, your dear wife, the Chief Monarch, Junior, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, so much already has been said about High Chief Raymond Dokpesi. All I have to add to that is my interaction with him and use that to demonstrate his ability to mobilize and sensitize to support a good cause. Our paths crossed in 1992 when he was the DG of the Bamanga Tuko organization. I met him through Awa Tuko and my dear friend, Temi Omashoye. And as far back as that time, he demonstrated his abilities to negotiate his way through very difficult circumstances. In all that he did throughout his life, this very aspect of him manifested itself. I remember in 2005, because we undertook several political operations together on behalf of our people in the South-South. Because he believed so much in Nigeria first, and then the cause of the South-South, he put everything, both his intellect and material resources, at the disposal of his people. I can recall in 2005, when the National Confab was convened. Before the Confab started, a report was already floating around. In fact, the chairman of that Confab was the late Justice Nicky Toby, a very illustrious son of the South-South. Before the Confab commenced, the report was ready, and Justice Nicky Toby was called to the villa and given this report to adopt. When the man left the villa, the first person he called was myself. And I called two people. One was the late DSP Alamieyeseigha. The other person was your father, High Chief Raymond Dokpesi. He immediately sprang into action, mobilizing covertly to stop that report, because the report was detrimental to the interests of our people. And successfully he stopped it. But I'm sure that today, nobody told that story. In 2005 or 2006, High Chief Raymond Dokpesi mobilized the entire region into an association called the South People's Assembly to propagate the aspiration of the people of the South-South. He was so effective that it threatened the very fabric of the political establishment. That was what Chief Reverend Dokpesi was known for: mobilization and sensitization, politically, covert and overt. When I came to the house to see you, Junior, I remember asking you, are you sure you can fill his shoes? I will not say what you told me, but I'm pretty certain that the man has left very, very big shoes for you to fill. So on behalf of myself, my wife, and my entire family, I want to once again condole with all of you and to say that from the array of dignitaries here today, you have a huge resource base to draw from when you need inspiration, when you need support. I believe that they will all support you. I will stand also to support at any time you call on me. Once again, we want to wish our brother and our friend, our leader and elder, farewell. Chairman, bye-bye and good night.
Thank you.